Hello everyone, welcome to Manwar Education. So this video is all about mock test for IPM and other BBA entrances. Guys, as we know that due to pandemic situation, many exams are delaying and you have got a time to study more. So guys, this is the right time to evaluate yourself by giving mock test and topic test. And I will also explain how mock test and topic test will boost your preparation. Here is the mock test progress. In the first step, you will do analysis that which are the strong sections of yours, which are the weak sections of yours, you will come to know in the first step. And in the second step, you will be familiar with paper pattern of the examination, as mock test is exact a replica of your examination. So in the second step you will be familiar with the paper pattern. In the third step, it is one of the most important step in the mock test as well as in the examination, time management. So time management is like that while giving mock test you will come to know that in which section you should give how much time. This is also one of the very key thing to clear any particular examination. And in fourth step you will be confident about the exam. एग्जैक्टली सो दिस इज अ स्टेप बाय स्टेप प्रोसेस. जैसे जैसे आप मॉक टेस्ट दोगे वैसे वैसे आपका कॉन्फिडेंस, टाइम मैनेजमेंट, ये सारी चीज़ें बढ़ती रहेंगी. सो फोर्थ स्टेप में आप कॉन्फिडेंट हो जाएंगे एंड फिफ्थ स्टेप यू विल बी फुल्ली प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर द एग्जाम. सो गाइज दीज आर द 5 स्टेप्स दैट हाउ mock test will improve your preparation. So now guys, let us see where you will get mock test. So guys, this is our website manwaredu.com. Just click on buy online, click on BBA entrance, and this kind of a page you will see. In that we have full course, books and study material, mock test and sectional course. That is, if you are lacking in a particular section, then you can order sectional course also. After that, just click on mock test. So this kind of a page will open. For BBA entrance we have topic test. With respect to quants we have 48 tests. With respect to logical reasoning we have 62 tests. With respect to English 22 tests, and with respect to general knowledge we have 20 tests. This particular topic test, it is for IPMAT, NPAT, SET, Christ University and other BBA entrance examination. After that, if you click on view details, so total 152 mock tests you will get. Likewise, we have mock test for other BBA entrance like Christ University, IPMAT Indore. In that you will get 2 mini and 10 full length mock tests. And IPMAT Rohtak, in that you will get mock test booster 3 mini and 10 full IIM Rohtak. And if you are targeting NMIMS, then NPAT mock test we have. So in that you will get 2 mini and 10 full length mock test. If you are targeting symbiosis, so we have mock test booster 15 full length mock test you will get. So these all mock tests we have prepared by understanding the need of exam. Now guys, if you are targeting BBA entrance, then you can join our online and live classes. You can call on our board line number 8828581455. Our counseling team will help you. You can also visit to our website manwaredu.com for BBA entrance. You can follow us on our social media handles for exam updates and notification. We have launched a new YouTube channel which is very specific for BBA entrance. We will also put exam details of BBA on this channel also. So do subscribe to this channel. Link of all the social media handles, it is given into the description box. So do check the description box. This is all about in this video. All the best for your examination. Thank you.